Right, we're back. We're back in Lincolnshire. So I've left old Brixham, Camden. Got back home. So got the car booked in for Monday for an MOT. Getting ready. So we've got a couple of weeks left up in Lincolnshire. So yeah. So the only thing is now, while I was away, my Allpowers R1500, I think it was, little 600 watt machine, packed up. But bless them, the folks at Allpowers, with one email, sorted it out, and they've upgraded me. So we'll show you what we got now. So they've sent me a bigger one to sponsor to Bulgaria. Wow! So you're going to unbox it, are you?
Yeah.
So yeah, this is double the size. So, well no, it's more than double actually. I think it's either 1500 watts or 1800 watts. So yeah, what we did have was, it's a common fault. It had it had to be sent back to be upgraded. So they've, instead of sending me out a replacement one, we've got a new big boy. Wow. So that's going to power all the bits. So
Okay, should we see what's in here?
yeah, that should be all your cables.
So we've got a charger in there, yeah?
Yep, I've already got all the power packs. That's just warranties.
Yeah.
She's a lot bigger.
Ooh, a lot bigger.
Let's lift her out. Oh, they're big. Oh god. Oh, she's got some weight on it. Oh, how many plugs? Right. Let's move that box. Put that back up. Can you lift it?
Yep.
Hey.
Just.
That's a beast. Go on then, try and flick it on. Let's get some power on her.
Got 4 plug sockets.
Yep. Switch her on. You get it?
Where is it there?
I don't
Just
know.
hold it down. 3
There
seconds.
we go. Should have a bit of power in. Yeah, so there's four normal sockets. I maybe should have asked for a European one, shouldn't I?
Yeah.
Never thought of that. Oh well, we have got the adapters to swap all them. So you've got standard sort of things. You've got the USBs and the C port, is it? Do you want to peel the stickers off?
What stickers? Oh, that.
Oh, and the other one.
Oh, that's the main one.
Got to love a bit of that. So you got dual charging points on the top as well. So actually, it's not that big. I think my original one was about the size of that, wasn't it?
Yeah.
That frame, so it's just a little bit bigger. Should that have come off, Archie? No.
No, I don't think so.
Don't think you should have took that off.
It'll come off anyway.
Anyway, yeah, let's have a spin round.
Oh, it's got 2 wireless chargers on top.
Yeah, this is where you normally... Oh, that's a different one. You normally have to pull it out. So, oh, that's all right. I've got the solar connector for that one. That's just a reset button.
Yep.
Cool. And charger. I don't think there's anything on that end, is there?
Yeah, there is.
Oh, there is. What we got there?
Expand battery ports.
Oh, right. Yeah, we can expand it on this one, so we can add extra power ports.
Yeah.
Now then, that's an idea, Archie. So this is going to help us with Bulgaria. The idea is it's going to help power things. While we're there, it's going to keep it in the truck as well. So it's our full. I've got a solar panel, so that's going to help.
Fantastic.
Yeah. So it's going to make our little truck off grid. Run the fridge we've got, the total cool fridge. So yeah, big up to the Allpowers crew for helping us with a big one. They was going to try and send me the big one, the 2,500 watt one, but because it's on a different setup, with creator funds and stuff like that, they didn't have any that sort of stock and stuff like that. So yeah, big up for that one. Does it say what make this one is, Archie?
11 days remaining. This one?
Yeah, just turn it round. Yeah, there should be an R number or something on the back, maybe. See what the power rate. There we are. That'll be on that little bit there. I think it said it's about 1800 watts.
Let's have a look.
I think it's between 1500 and 1800 watts, but they are powerful little machines. So that's going to last well. So the little one did well.
1,152 hours.
Yeah.
It's surge at 3000 watts. Not sure.
We'll have to try the coffee machine on it. Yes.
Should we try now?
So we can have my coffee machine run.
Should we try them in the kitchen?
Yeah, you can do, yeah.
Yes.
We'll go and try it. So yeah, so that's the plan. We're making the truck off grid to travel all the way there. Can you get past? He's struggling, bless him. So yeah, we're going to make it a full off-grid little vehicle to get there. We're going to be camping all the way there as well. So I'm going to do another vlog. You'll probably see after this one all about Bulgaria and catch up, because a lot of you haven't known. A lot of you don't know. I bought a house already. All sorts of stuff's gone on. So yeah, it's crazy times. So we're just waiting to get going. Then we got east. Wow, look at this. That's all back out the car. I've got it going in for an MOT. So this is all our stuff out the old truck and the horse box. So air fryers, coffee machines, ovens, more tents. We've got even more now. We've bought another one. So we're not going to get the bell tent out. We're going to get this little, it's a 4-man dome one. We're just going to chuck that up. And then if it rains, it rains. So yeah, so this is Archie's Christmas present. So I'm just doing a review on that. DUI. Got a code as well and a link. If you go into my bios and stuff, it's just DUI-P, and that's a code. It gives you a discount as well. I think it's down to about 400 odd quid, but it's a cracking little machine.
It's outputting 1300 watts now.
Oh, let's go and have a look. Right, it's going to make hot chocolate. Let's see if it'll work, because I always work. Yeah, you got it on.
So, yep.
You need your coffee machine, things like that.
Yeah, I know.
Plug it in then.
Coffee machine turned on. There we go.
Yeah,
So,
arm down.
Just wait for
See if it cuts out or not. All right then.
a minute.
We ain't got all day.
It's ready.
Yeah, just flick it on. Hey, we're working. Yes, sandwiches. Oh, that's not bad then. That coffee machine's not bad. I always wanted one to run my coffee machines.
Yeah, 600. Look, it's gone down a bit. 400.
It's going this, actually.
300. 200. Obviously, just when it initially heats it. It's going up and down, but it heats it basically.
See if it trips.
No.
1400.
2% so far.
Oh, I can have my coffees on the road now.
It's only used 2%. It's not bad. I'm guessing it used about 3 or 4%, but
That's cool. Yeah, so it's sticking about
I'll get to
400.
manual turns one off.
I thought that one was about 1500.
Should do.
There we go.
2% is that's all it used.
Right, do you want to flick the air fryer on? We'll test it on that as well. Right, totally random. I'm gonna press the middle button. Let's see what it does. If it'll.
Is that on?
Yeah. Get. Will it?
Powering.
Get in.
It's working.
Sweet.
I think it'll drain it quite quick, but if it works.
It was only pushing out about the same as that. So that's a bit of bonus. That's going to help me on the road. And then obviously we're going to have that plugged into the car, so it'll be charging up that way. And then when we do stop, we'll have the solar. And campsites we're on electric anyway, so we'll be able to recharge it. But while we're on the road, we've got the thing to run as well, Starlink. So yeah, brilliant. Oh, I'm loving that. Oh, what was that? Press button 3 seconds for on off. Oh, Bluetooth. Oh yeah, we've got Bluetooth.
Oh, you got the app.
Oh yeah, we forgot about that. So we'll have to download the app. Right, yeah, so go and check out Allpowers. I haven't got any codes or anything for this. I think they said they might send me one. So if there is, check the bio in the description. I'll add it all into there. Because like I said, I've already done a review. They sent me one, and about sort of 6-7 months later it played up. It just come up with this error code, which is quite a common code, and it has to go back. It's like something overheats in it on the charging. So they just asked them to be sent back. They sent me a sticker out, 3 returns, shipped it back to them, and literally 2 days sent me the upgrade. So brilliant. So also got a YouTube upgrade for Bulgaria as well. So we're being sponsored by Roller Dog. They're going to supply me with all my paint, brushes, palettes, you name it, rollers, putty knives, everything. So I'm in talks with them at the moment. They're going to project and fund all that for my house. So that's going to be a bonus. So we just need paint now. So yeah, we're just trying to get the last few little bits in. I know a lot of people don't like all these bits and bobs, but I only cherry pick certain things like this and stuff because it's going to get used in Bulgaria. So that eventually in the horse box, running the bar as well. So we can run all the lights, run the bar, like everything in the bar, charge your phones up out there and everything. So, and then put it back in the car and keep it, you know, use it for that. Got my little Bluetti, yeah, it was Bluetti or Power Oak when they first come out. I've got the little orange one still, so that'll be going with us as well. But that'll be just used as backup. And there's power cuts in Bulgaria, which is a lot. So hopefully we're in talks with Fogstar to do a whole house setup, off-grid setup. So they've moved to Bulgaria now and got a warehouse. So yeah, watch this space. We will see. We may have one, we might not, but we've got to get off-grid. Right, we'll catch you all later and we'll probably see you on the road. Here we go. So this is what we've got. We've got the R1500. So you can see the specs on there. There's loads on the internet, but so yeah, 1800 watts. I thought it was. Oh, there we go. With a surge of 3000. So yeah, she should be good. So can't wait to get this out on the road and tested. So yeah, we're just charging her up now. That's a beauty. What I like about these, how fast. Oh god, yeah, it's already at 83. It's 400 watts going in. Sweet.